we're now officially underneath this thing. It's 8:22. It's here. So we'll just kind of ride it out here. I'm facing the wind. Branson West, Missouri, Stone County. Got a bow echo coming in. Here we go. Here we go. Gotta put my window up. Okay, here we go. Rocking and rolling, baby. Rocking and rolling. I hope I don't flip. I'd say about 55 miles an hour. Watch that little tree in front of you. Yeehaw, baby. My car is a rockin'. Whoa, mama. 50 to 60 mile an hour winds. My car's being pushed back a little bit. Whoa, I'm right facing it, directly on. Head on with it. Head on with it. Woo-hoo. She's a kicking. 50, 55 mile an hour winds. Let's see how our... Oh boy. Hold on, mama. Let's get a look out here, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, baby. That's what I call a bow echo. She is kicking it up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'd say 50, 60, Yamaha. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I'd say 50 to 60 miles an hour, wouldn't you? Wow. Let's check this tree out. Oh, man. It's still going. It's still going. I'd say 50, 55 mile an hour wind. We're rocking and rolling. How's our tree doing? Getting blistered. Still pumping, 60, 65. Woo, mama. 60 to 65 mile an hour wind. Stone County. Branson West, that one's about 65. We're cooking about 65 miles an hour out of the west-northwest. That is about as blistered as you're gonna see, buddy. This is the strongest winds I've been in a long time. We're about 70. We're about 70 miles an hour here at Branson West. Missouri 13, 825. That's about the strongest winds I've faced down here since I've been here. It just keeps coming. Check our tree out. I'd say I got my money's worth on this one. She did not disappoint. No, sir, she did not. I can't see out my front window, so don't even ask. We'll just look at this light and see what's hitting it. Still about 45 to 50 mile an hour wind here. I'd say we've had a 70 mile an hour gust easy though. My vehicle was pushed back. Still cooking out of the northwest. We are live, Branson West, Missouri, 8:25 p.m., July 14th, Friday, 2023. A bow echo with 70 to 75 mile an hour winds has just hit, and we are still at a sustained 50. And this is by far the strongest winds I've seen down here since I've been here in 5 years. So this did not disappoint. Let's check our tree out. You can see that wind is still cooking across. Torrential downpour. About 6-7 minutes into this thing, still cooking, still pushing out about 45 to 55 mile an hour wind gust. Yeah, I would compare this to the July 19th storm 2019 that took the lives of the people on Table Rock Lake and the duck boat. This had the same type setup with a bow echo coming out of the Kansas City area. So I can see how 70 mile an hour winds hitting Table Rock Lake could really cause trouble, because folks, that pushed my vehicle back. So still getting some 45 to 55 mile an hour gusts. 8 minutes in now. Branson West, Missouri, Missouri 13. Bow Echo event, July 14th, 2023. It's about 8:30 in the evening now. Just come rolling through just about 8:21. And by far the strongest bow echo I've been in the last 5 years. It did not disappoint. I'm glad I moved from my location up to here. This was definitely a lot better vantage point. I had much better visibility of what was coming. And I will take visibility over the background shot of Table Rock Lake anytime. There's another strong gust. Just a lot of energy in this storm. And in July, that happens a lot. There's just so much heat and humidity to feed off of. This is like our third day in a row of having complexes come through, either early morning or this one's in the late afternoon, early evening. It's not giving up the ghost yet. It's still kicking. Lots of real strong wind out of the west-northwest. Now we got a wind shift. We got a wind shift. Wind has definitely shifted directions now. Definitely more out of the northwest than the west. 11 minutes since this started. Wind is shifting. "12 minutes now. Still getting a strong push of wind, 25, 35 miles an hour. Not nearly as strong as it was, though.